So if you're currently trying to decide between these two platforms, System.io or Kajabi.com, to run your online business on, well, I've got your back. This video is for you as I look at the pros and cons of System.io and Kajabi.com, who they are for, who these platforms are tailored to, and whether it's right for you in your journey as an online business owner. And full disclosure, right off the bat, I am a Kajabi user, but there are specific reasons for that, and I'll get into those as I dive into my desktop. So first off then, we are in System.io. You can just Google System.io or go to System.io, and they are coming from the one-stop shop. So the easiest all-in-one marketing platform for your online business. So it's very similar angle from Kajabi, because Kajabi is known as the all-in-one creator platform to build your online business. But there are some real big fundamental differences between these two platforms. So first of all, I want to have a look at some of the features of System.io. So if I just click on the features and then scroll all the way down, you have a website builder, business automation, sales funnels, email marketing, affiliate management, online courses. You can actually do physical products, evergreen webinars, booking calendar, sub accounts, pipelines, and communities. So this is very similar to what Kajabi offer, because if you go to the Kajabi page and then click on the products drop down, there are some very similar products from System.io, but there are, in addition, there's courses, coaching, even podcasting, a branded mobile app. So Kajabi is a bit more advanced and a bit more of a premium product. So if you are just starting out in your online business, then System.io may be something that you could be interested in. If you already have an online business, or if you already have a business that's creating revenue, generating monthly income, then Kajabi might be a good fit for you if you are looking for that premium product. So the next thing, I'm going to be looking at the prices. So System.io, here you can choose your plan. So both System.io and Kajabi offer a monthly billing option and an annual billing option. Here on the System.io, we have a freemium product or a freemium plan, which is fantastic. Again, if you are just starting out, brand new to online business, and you want to cut your teeth with a new software, then System.io could be the one for you. Under the freemium product, then what do you get? You get 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails, email campaigns newsletters unlimited. So if you just wanted to start out your online business, then this could be a good one for you. Whereas we look at Kajabi, they don't have a free version. Yes, they do have a 14-day free trial, but then after that you are paying monthly. And starting at the lowest kickstart is $89 a month. So first of all, if we go from monthly billing to annual billing, you will save 2 months for free. And this is just the totals here. Kajabi do exactly the same. It's quite common for software as a service to do this. Annual 20% off. Now Kajabi still lists the monthly prices. You will get billed in a one-off for the entire year, but it just equates to 20% off on a monthly. But if you don't have that much capital up front, then you can start on the monthly and always change down the line. Here on System.io, it is actually showcasing the full amount that you're going to get billed. So let's have a look at what you actually get with System.io. So the freemium, the startup, the webinar, and the unlimited. The biggest thing that jumps out to me is the unlimited. You get unlimited everything. That is a fantastic value for any online platform. You're getting unlimited everything, and you can scroll down, it's just going to say unlimited all the way down. Now, a point to note, if you are transferring your account over from an already existing website, some of the fantastic functions here that you're going to see within your System.io account is if you go down to customer support, they give you some free migration. So Kajabi don't offer that in terms of their customer support. You have to migrate everything over. But if you already have stuff built out, then they offer this free migration support. So this is really interesting, and this could be the decision maker if you're on the fence about Kajabi and System.io. This could be the reason why you go with this platform. So they do that all for you. If you go to Kajabi, these are all the things you get. You don't really get unlimited for $89 a month. say I'm going monthly again, but if you went annual, it's down to 71, but still not as good as a 99 unlimited in terms of value, but you do get quite a lot in terms of the products and the premium features that Kajabi offer. If you have a look down here, the 250 contacts, if you do have an audience already, this might be the showstopper for you. You have to actually go up to basic to get 2,500 contacts and then up to growth to get 25,000 contacts. So this absolutely depends where you are on your entrepreneurial journey. The ideal thing to do is to go down these lists and try and identify where you're at and the functionalities that your business needs right now. If you don't need too much, then do you know what? System.io might be where you start. But if you have big plans for your online business and you want to get serious from the get-go, then it might be worth you saving time and energy just starting on Kajabi if that's where you want to end up. So like I said from the beginning, I am a Kajabi user and I've been using this platform since 2018 because it fits my business requirements. I'm going to just jump over into my Kajabi account and show you some of the features that I use on the regular. So what I like about Kajabi is its look and its feel and its usability and some of the support functions that you get with Kajabi. The chat function is second to none. I have never got stuck for any length of time within this platform and I can keep moving on and learning. I'm constantly learning within this platform. But it has everything down the left-hand side. So Kajabi has come from a courseware background and some of the courses that you get are second to none. The look and the feel, if I was to go into one of my programs here, this is Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I offer for free for anyone using my link. If I was just to have a look at this premium look, this is how it actually lays out. So this is my welcome. If you were to go into any of these lessons, this is how it looks and it feels. It's quite premium compared to some of the other options out there. Then if I was to go into coaching, I have a number of online programs in terms of coaching, and then I can just send out a link to someone and set up a coaching program entirely within the Kajabi setup. They also have community, podcasts, newsletters, and downloads. Let's look into the web design. Another great thing I love about Kajabi is the builder. So if I was to go and customize any of my landing pages, these are my website pages. So you do have a drop down for each of your website pages. And this is great because if you use website pages, it's going to customize a header and footer for you and a theme. So the more you can use these website themes, the more congruent the look and the feel of your website is going to be. So if I was just to preview this look and feel, this is my homepage. Everything you see here is built with Kajabi. My about page, my blog page, everything is built with the Kajabi builder. So it's actually got a quite nice look and feel, and it's quite a premium look and feel as well. If I was to go back out then and have a look at the email settings here, whenever I go into email campaigns and then start a new email campaign, let's just have a test broadcast here. Go into email and click continue. You can either send out a broadcast or you can send out a sequence. A sequence is like trigger based and a broadcast is more like a time sensitive based. So they've got some fantastic templates here. Now this is the same for courses, landing pages, and email templates. Kajabi give that amazing look and feel. It looks premium and it is premium. But what you can also do is you can save some custom templates. So I've just got like a weekly template here. I'm going to click get started and use this template as a test. And then I'm just going to click create. And you can save whatever templates you want. But then the great thing about this is the segmentation. So if I can have a custom segment and I can select any of these filters. So I don't really use any tags in this system. I use segmentation. So I can see if people are a customer. I can have a look at the activities in the last 90 days. I can have a look to see if I've delivered an email to them in the last 90 days, if they've submitted any of these forms, owns any of these products, has any of these offers. It is almost limitless on what tags and triggers and automations you want to set up. So if my filter is submitted any of these forms, if I click on any of these forms and then apply, this would just give me a list of contacts that have applied through that method, then I can reach out to them with that certain segmentation applied. So there we have it, a quick run through on System.io and Kajabi.com, which one is right for you. If I was to sum up, if you're just starting out, System might be the right one for you. It has a free plan, so if you just wanted to check it out. Whereas Kajabi is a bit more premium, it has a few more features, and it is a higher price point. So if you do already have a business that is generating revenue, or if you knew you wanted that Kajabi platform to take your business to those next levels, then Kajabi might be the one for you. And like I said, I've been using the Kajabi platform since 2018, and as I am a Kajabi partner, I can get you an extended 30-day free trial. That's over double the 14-day free trial available to the public just by using my link. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means is part of your payment comes back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you if you choose to go over those 30 days free trial. But if you do sign up to Kajabi using my link as a thank you from me, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. It's what I wish I had when I started out my Kajabi account. It's what I would do first, second, third, and fourth in order to set my Kajabi account up in order for scale. And then if you continue to be a paying member, go past those 30 days, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'm going to issue you a new program called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. All you need to do is download these templates from this program and upload them into your Kajabi account as a theme, and you can set up your sales page templates as a start for 10. These are the templates that I use in my online business that's generated over 6 figures of revenue. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the awesome bonuses on that page, and I look forward to seeing you on the very next video.